Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set the date on the Nokia 105. So first you can go to the menu and you can come up and then select the clock here. However, you can also get to this by pressing the alarm here with this hotkey. Then once you've come in the same place, whichever way you've got there, you can come down and then select time settings. And then you want to select date settings. Then you can select a new date, and then once you've selected your new date, this is the days, months and years. So once you're happy, you press the middle button to select OK. It'll say date is set with this tick, and there is your new date set on the Nokia 105. So that's how to do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, press the like button, press the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this quick playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.